Go.
Una good evening, una kushe, una kabo, the Sierra Leonean people them all around the world. Mina Alhaji Jibril Conte, when they use me video all around at the social media, and this their way. People in they curse me, then they abuse me, then they talk all kind of things against me, and they get death threat them all. So, but they can't make this video now because why be this here? If you see on social media banter no more. But until today, we see this press release from the SLPP chairman, Mr. Napoleon Koroma. Well, this is a blessing in disguise for me because me na Koroma, my mama na Koroma, I get Koroma blood. Well, the video where they go on a meeting will be go this Sunday, the 2nd of December. So now they bring question time. So they say for ask question. It relate for any problem in Sierra Leone. So I come out with this question here, so with things the woman we don't see on social media where they go on. And the latest one, where I can see the president with him convoy the way go. So I get concerned with that. So now I make up the try for ask question. I say if me a businessman, I get money, I want to invest in Sierra Leone. If the president then they go with short convoy, and I will make a glad for go invest in the country. So that concern here I will ask. And another one who talks to me say in the end, forget rid of His Excellency the President, our President of Sierra Leone, Julius Maada Bio, when I be elected president. I don't get any intention for that. My statement is clearly for say, come 2023 through the ballot box, forget rid of and for come out, so we'll get it changed. So I don't get no other bad intention why they see people and they go and talk see and get attention for can make cool. To God in heaven, I don't go under with any other intention. I go under as a Sierra Leonean. When I go see my body language self, why I feel relaxed why they ask the question. I don't get any bad intention for our present government, SLPP. We already don't come with free education when we serve the support. And the supporter last week Losar then get a show where they raise funds for make a library in Losar where I support we are talking on the social media for praise with His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio for this free education we bring. And moreover, His Excellency the President Julius Maada Bio and Her Excellency Madam Fatima Bio, I mean my neighbor in London, and the elder daughter, it's my own daughter. They attend the same school and then at the same class. I mean, they take them all, go left them at school, and they drive, go left them because they meet to one or other friend. Why they pick them up, then drop them at school. If they show me video self, they will say yes, it's a big uncle. So I don't get no bad intention for them. I'm glad for them. For waiting they achieve. His Excellency the President, me and me don't meet twice. What will they get let in discussion? So I don't get no bad intention for them. Astaghfirullah, no. Me na man, anybody who they ask, they will see me say them will say me na man. I don't get that minded for what even fly. Me, I don't lead Sierra Leone. I always did for fly Sierra Leone flag. Now that na my intention. I don't be chief na Liberia, Komodi. I go Gambia where they work for them. I go there back, we get Sierra Leone friendship. We will come together from day back. I able to raise money, I come England, so I did back. The Sierra Leone community today, if you see they together, they come together as well. I'm like me, I'm pioneer. For even talk Creole now. Because we'll be careful, let's talk Creole self now, even within the Arab people. So please, I don't get one bad intention. Nobody not send me for that meeting or for any problem. No, not just question time, we come, we're happy for raise question for talk. So, the president here in cabinet, most of them, I would say, they sabi me, about 60% of him in cabinet. Like for example, the president, the ambassador for Russia, when Mr. Mohamed Yangawo sabi me, a wife, and he even deliver me second Kiwa born in England. They say sabi me, the ambassador Naya, he sabi me. We during the Ebola and I will be the pioneer and also for help people in Sierra Leone with the meeting at Cambridge House. In deputy back, Agnes Duma Macaulay, himself no. They all go testify, they sabi me. They no say me no to one problem, man. I don't get any bad intention. We always try for day together and bring people together. So then you get the other deputy minister for social welfare, Mr. Keller. Himself sabi me. I get where a lot of them winner Santa Mita, we call her winner Munda. Recently, several them get in position we call on the in WEF and WEF na family. Now we all go welcome her. Na this week salon cool and cozy. If they show me video, instead go proof. I get beaucoup family and friends. But now I see social media, people in the center trade. My own personal party self. Right now, me and don't split for that. Because he say no believe. We see the video. You see, so man they get dead straight and they get abuses and all sorts of problems. So they appeal to His Excellency, Her Excellency, the Party Secretary General, like what I say, we get blood, me like my mama like for tell us I don't get any intention. So the party supporters there all around the world. Me and man, I don't get one problem. When I see myself, I relax. I don't get no bad intention for make trouble go necessarily.